Assignment operators in Kotlin. Assignment operators are used to assign values to a variable. So let us go for some examples. So if we write the expression like a plus equal to b, so it is equivalent to a is equal to a plus b, and it will get translated to call the respective method in this way: a dot plus assign b, where a will be capital but b will be in the lowercase. So a dot plus assign b. If we write this one, that is a minus equal to b, which is equivalent to a is equal to a minus b, but we are getting called internally, we are calling this one as a dot minus assign b. In this way, we have shown you that how these assignment operators can be used and what are the respective methods are getting called internally. So let us go for one practical demonstration to show this one with one proper example. So here is the demonstration for you. Here we are going to demonstrate the use of assignment operator. So here we have defined num1 of type integer implicit, because here the value 10 will be considered as integer. So that has been assigned to my num1. The current value of my num1 has got printed, and then my num1 plus equal to 5. So now in this way it is nothing but my num1 is equal to my num1 plus 5. Then after doing this addition, we are again printing the final value of my num1. So now let me execute the code. Here is the respective output. So initially my num1 was having value 10, then after addition of 5, my num1 is going to get the value 15 here. In this way we have demonstrated the use of assignment operator. Thanks for watching.